Do you want to turn your videos into hand-drawn masterpiece? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add black and white sketch effect in CapCut Mobile by just using built-in video effects. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effect categories, and you can use search bar to search for black and white sketch. Tap the effect to preview it. You will see your video transformed into monochrome sketch with pencil-like outlines and artistic shading. You can also make adjustments by just pressing the Adjust button and slide the slider all you want. The slider option depends on the version of CapCut you have. Once you're satisfied with the preview, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Now, drag the left or right edge of the layer to adjust how long the sketch effects appears. Finally, play your video to preview the final result before exporting. And that's how you add black and white sketch effect in CapCut Mobile. Sketch it, style it, share it. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.